Kabayan, alam niyo po ba lutuin ang recipe na to? Isa ang biko sa natutunan kong lutuin from my mom. Actually, marami ng version ng biko ngayon, pero ang gusto ng mga anak ko, aside from yung merong latik sa ibabaw, is yung merong matamis at langka. Pero alam niyo po ba, not too long ago, I couldn't cook, I couldn't clean, I couldn't do anything. Why? Because I was busy working all my freaking time. Until I found this amazing online business that allows me to stay home and replace my income, be present with my kids' life, and cook po kung whatever meals na kinikrave namin ng mga Filipino food. Kaya po, if you're a parent like me who wants to take control of your time and spend more time with your loved ones, I encourage you po to check this life-changing business opportunity na nakatulong po sa pamilya namin. At wag po kayo mag-alala if wala po kayong business experience or hindi po kayo magaling sa computer dahil meron po tayong training na provided at may mentor ka na mag-guide sa'yo. Kaya kabayan, i-click mo lang po ang Learn More at i-register mo ang iyong name at email para mapanood mo ang free webinar at malaman mo if this business is for you. Maraming salamat po kabayan sa iyong oras and God bless po!